Today, we're diving into a full review of KDPal, Kids Book Publishing AI Agent. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this. Research hot niches, auto-create and publish kids coloring books, puzzles books, activity books in low competition niches that rank high fast and easily on Amazon. One-click Amazon AI Assistant instantly research, create, and publish best-selling no-content kids books like coloring books, activity books, in seconds, no writing required. KDPal is your ultimate tool for dominating the world of kids book publishing. Effortlessly research profitable keywords, discover hidden niches, analyze competitors, and publish profitable kids books in record time. Create coloring books, activity books, puzzles, story books, educational books, picture books, and more with just a few clicks. Tap into the $237 billion children's book industry with KDPal. Zero audience required, reach over 6 million parents for free. Amazon does all the hard work, your content is automatically placed in front of 310 million readers on Amazon's global platform. No writing required, the AI assistant does all the content creation for you. No typing, no experience, no design skills needed. Scale without limit, we publish children's books effortlessly with KDPal, and earn passive royalties every time someone reads our book. Hands-free publishing, the more books we publish, the more we earn, with minimal effort. 100% free traffic, no ads, no SEO, no social media marketing. All traffic comes from Amazon's built-in audience. No hidden costs, profit without paying for ads, traffic, or SEO. Everything is included. Complete automation, just a few clicks, and KDPal takes care of the entire publishing process for you. No monthly fees, pay once and keep 100% of your profits forever. No tech skills needed, set up in 60 seconds and watch the AI do the work for you. 100% legal and ethical, no hidden fees, no extra expenses, just easy publishing and profits. Rest easy with our 30-day money-back guarantee, we've got you covered. Digital marketer. I've tried countless ebook tools, but KDPal is the only one that actually helps me research profitable niches and get my kids' books ranked on Amazon. The AI-powered niche and keyword research gave me targeted data to outshine the competition. While other tools only create ebooks, KDPal is a full publishing assistant that has boosted my sales and helped me achieve real, sustainable profits. My books are ranking higher and selling faster than ever before. Digital product creator. I couldn't believe how quickly I could publish my first kids book with KDPal. The AI-powered content creation is mind-blowing, and the seamless formatting makes my books look professional with zero effort. This tool has taken the stress out of publishing and has dramatically accelerated my success on Amazon. It's truly a game changer. Over 250 million kids books sold in 2024, KDPal is shaking up the kids book publishing industry like never before. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.